takajun takajunu tadim din takajunu takadim takajun takajunu tadim din.
Great businesses are not built overnight. They are built one step, one idea, and one success at a time. This works well as the opening introduction for a business story presentation. We are looking first century business in India. First business in India was not a single company, a system of trade and guilds that evolved from the Indus Valley civilization to medieval artisan industries. Later, the British East India Company became the first large-scale corporate entity in India, highlighting the importance of honesty and fairness of trade. Sadalaputta was one of the wealthy merchant from Vaishali, an ancient city in Bihar. He lived during the time of Buddha, 5th century. His fame came from running a vast pottery enterprise. 500 shops spread across the city and beyond. Sadalaputta's enterprise shows the large-scale business management existed in India 2500 years ago. Vaishali, which is located in Bihar, the first Indian business was the pottery business. Was a large scale business trade in India. Why Europeans called India the Golden Bird? Long ago, India was one of the richest countries in the world. Because of its great wealth, many Europeans called India the Golden Bird, Soniki Chidiya. India earned this name because it produced valuable goods such as spices, cotton, silk, precious stones, and jewelry. Indian merchants traded with countries in Asia, Europe, and Africa. Many kingdoms in India were wealthy and had magnificent palaces and temples. Gold, silver, and other treasures were abundant in several regions. European travelers and traders were amazed by India's prosperity. The European powers established colonies and gained control over parts of India. The phrase Golden Bird symbolizes India's wealth, culture, knowledge, and prosperity during ancient and medieval times. India was called the Golden Bird because it was one of the world's richest lands, famous for its trade, spices, textiles, gold, and precious jewels. India is the world's largest trade business marketing. With me, Jeni. This program is brought to you by Jeni's Private Limited. Thank you.